Hey guys, what's up? So on the North Georgia BDR ride that I just did, my speedometer stopped working right in the beginning, actually on the way to the start of the BDR, and that sucked. My GPX map viewer only did kilometers per hour, so I kind of had to like vibe how fast I was going the whole time and check with the rest of the rider group, and that sucked. So, uh, yeah, we're gonna figure this out. Uh, yeah, thanks for joining.
All right, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be a busted speedo cable. So the first place I'm going to check is down here at the base um, on the front wheel. All you do is remove this retainer, screw, bolt, whatever, screw. Um, Remove this guy. And then you should be able to pull your speedo cable out. Just like that. Perfect. So, all looks good, but I'm betting, if you can see that here, let me pull it through here real quick so you can see it. Yeah, let's check it. Grab the end, and this spins inside of here. The tire spins. This spins inside of the cable here, goes up to the speedo, registers up on the speedo. So if this is busted, this will move. And let's see. Hey, look at that. Got a busted speedo cable. That should not be happening. This should go one continuous line all the way up. So it's not registering because it's only spinning this part. It's not spinning the whole thing. So yeah, there's our problem. Yeah, let's work on the fix. I already suggested, or I already thought that this was going to be the issue, so I already ordered a new cable. So we'll install that, and I'll walk you through the process. All right, so in order to get to the speedo cable, I've got to remove the headlight shroud. It looks so. Looks like whatever. So I'll do that guy. Got 3 of these. And we'll pop this guy off. Boom. Just like that. Our wiring nest there. So the top of the speedo cable, let's see if you guys can see this. Let me bring you in a little closer. Is right here. Right behind this guy. So probably get a better view like that. This guy right here. So looks like we have to unscrew it. And let's see if it's stuck. Oh no, it's nice and easy. Okay. We'll unscrew this one. Pull that out. Greasy. And let's pull the cable through. And we got our new cable. All right, in order to put the new cable in, which we got here, as you can see, it's not disconnected, this one. In order to put the new cable in, I route it back through. Should be easy. Let's get this guy around, make sure we don't pinch anything. It's crazy. So you'll notice that these are squared. You gotta get them in the right way, and you gotta get them seated the right way. You know what we're gonna do first? Yeah, we're gonna put the bottom on first, is what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna seat that because the internal cable wire moves. So we'll do that first. So it seats properly and is stationary. All right, back down here. This should be easier to put in. And then the top can be stationary. So when you look inside of this unit right here, if you shine some light in there, you'll see that it has a squared off appearance. You just have to get the squared cable in appropriately. There it is. That's how we do it. Slide the cable through a little bit so you can hold it without it being inside the cable housing. Slip it in there. Put the retaining screw back in. Bolt, whatever we decided it is. Has a little bit of play, but it ain't going nowhere. The old one did not have play. But we'll see how it works. Should work. Alright, since we got the bottom in, let's see if we can get the top in. Shouldn't be too hard, but I know it's going to be squared up here. Oh shit, we lost our little thing. We'll get that back in a minute. I'm just going to get in here and put it back up in and make sure that it's inserted into the housing properly. Pliers here. Get a grip on it. That feels pretty good. Still struggling. All right, let's see if you guys can see it from that angle. I'm gonna bring it up. Struggling to get the threads seated. Definitely I'm not trying to cross thread anything. Usually pretty cautious about that. Am I going the wrong way? There we go. Got it. Is that all the way on? Feels like it is. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's check and see if our work passed. Hold the camera there. And oops. Ooh. Ooh, we're getting a register. Let's see. Yay! Alright. Alright guys, that's about it. Should have a working speedo now. That's cool. Don't have to vibe my speed. Thanks for joining. See you guys later.